First thing first, let me ask you, who do you think will be better option for the political party? Now that PDP has Atiku, but APC is looking at Tinubu, Osibanjo, Amechi, and co. So who do you think?
Amazingly, none of these are my options.
Oh.
Yeah, so because I would rather like to go for the odd. Sometimes the unexpected or the breakthrough of this country, as far as I know, lies in the unseen. Yeah, because we've seen a lot of things that are happening that have not still turned out for the better, for the betterment of this country.
Okay.
And that's because we know it. We have seen it. So how about we trying what we have not seen? Like the likes of Labour Party, and give Peter Obi a chance. We've not seen an Igbo man. I'm not an Igbo person.
Okay.
It's not about tribalism.
Okay.
But we've seen Igbo people handle business. We've seen Igbo men to the testimony of every person. Everyone can say that of a truth. An Igbo man stands out in his business. So how about employing a business-minded political person to run the affairs of this country? Perhaps our economy may just sit up and change for the betterness of this country, because we are really not looking for a name or someone who has been there. We've been hearing of Tinubu, we've seen him. We want someone we've not seen. We want someone who has got some, hidden treasures that needs to be unveiled, more like a gold that comes out from the, when you take out gold, it doesn't look like it until it is refined. So let's give them a try. Let's dig them out and put them to the surface and refine them. At least by the time they begin to see the experiences of being a president or being in leadership, it begins to refine them. They begin to see for themselves that, oh, this is what the people have been complaining about. So for me, let's just give them a try to people who we've not seen. I don't want, or people we've not really heard. Let's give them the try.
But for general election, who do you think that will be a better candidate?
General election, if it will be given to either Peter Obi, because he's in a fresh party,
okay,
and all those cabals that are caging most of these big parties,
yes,
they will not be there to cage them. And in fact, if Nigerians will vote for Peter Obi and pick one of the northern candidates to be vice, in fact, everything will work fine. Nobody will control him. He will do his mind. I know he has a clean mind to do the job. But in APC, Osibanjo would have been better. If Osibanjo will stand very firm, as he used to be, and wipe away all those cabals around him that are caging him not to perform. He has a good intention, but the cabals will not allow him. But he should stand, if he won this election, he should stand very firm and wipe away all the cabals, and everything will work fine.
So what do you think that it's possible for anybody to wipe the cabal away? Like you mentioned, Peter Obi being a fresh party where there is no cabal that will control him. Now you being APC, do you think it's possible for him to be in APC and wipe away the cabals?
You mean Peter Obi?
No, I mean Osibanjo.
Yes. Osibanjo, yeah. It depends on how bold he will be. You forget any scaring people that will scare him of whatever. Once he get that seat, he should remain bold and do what he can do. He will wipe away all the cabals, pin them, and he will do better.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.